only hot pot na a la carte quality. In fairness, we were impressed. And you don't just get hot pot, you get a Siargao barbecue pa. A good contender for that top spot for only hot pot in the metro. There, I said it. And if you say otherwise, sa Wagyu kayo makipagtalo. They are very much new, so hopefully Hen Hao can maintain the quality. Definitely one of the hottest rising hot pot in Binondo, or in the metro rather. And what I also love about Hen Hao is that yung options sila for their only. You can go hot pot solo, or hot pot with Siargao, or if nakakaluwag-luwag, say their only Wagyu is worth the splurge. Oh, it doesn't hurt din ang ganda ng interiors nila. So ayan, you get your usual unlimited hot pot essentials. Just like what I said, para siyang a la carte quality. None of the vegetables feel frozen. The hot pot balls were filled. For the soup bases naman, we got 4. We really enjoyed the umami of the mushroom and the comforting flavors ng golden soup na very chicken based. I want a more aromatic tom yum lang. I opt for the drinkable mala na less spicy. So hinanap ko tuloy yung noming ng mala na dapat yun na lang pala yung kinuha namin. And of course, the highlight, the meats. Got there on the Wagyu, and for us, very sulit. As in 5 to 10 seconds lang and luto na yung meat nyo. Super tender. Good meat to fat ratio. And kahit sa Siargao, grabe, halos iuwi ko na yung Siargao seasoning nila dito. You get a good assortment pa of Siargao meats. Of course, yung beef pa rin yung favorite namin. And sila kuya favorite naman yung chicharong bulaklak. Service pala is pretty fast. You order from a QR lang. And they were pretty attentive sa mga empty plates namin. Overall, hopefully, Hen Hao can keep this up. Kasi if they do, like I said, a good contender for the top spot for that only hot pot in the metro. Enjoy!